So it's another windy, coldy day here in southern Oklahoma. So today what I'm going to be planting is my white Casper pumpkins, my black Knight pumpkins, and my Connecticut Field pumpkins. The black and the white pumpkins were from Hearth and Home, so we'll keep track of those for her as they grow. And I thank her once again for sending those. So let's get busy on how I plant pumpkins. And so what I'm doing is I just mixed in more of my homemade compost. Now with pumpkins, you typically want to plant them, or at least I do. I plant them in a mound, okay? So I'm going to put one here, I'm going to put one here, put one there, about 10 inches apart. Once these start to grow, I'll do these two probably over there, and then behind me will be more weed paper, and then I'll feed a couple of them that way, and then it'll fill this whole area in with pumpkins. Now, also what I've done is I've created these little sticks, okay? So I have white, black, and orange, okay? So I want to go black, white, orange, black, white, orange. And then as they grow, I'm going to mix the vines up. So I got black, white, orange, okay? So let me grab my black Knights. I just need one. I'm taking a chance, hoping they all grow. So there's my black. The white ones are a really thick, hardy seed. These Connecticut Fields I planted last year did so well. I had about 120 pumpkins off of about, I think, what, 8 plants? And there we have it. So now I'm just going to tamp the dirt in. Okay. So there's the first batch. I'm just going to put a little water on them. Let's plant the second. And so again, just to repeat, I've been through this with my little 3-pronged rake with some really nice composted soil. And I'm just building my mound. The mound just keeps water from setting on the seeds and rotting them. So I'm going to plant one there, I'm going to plant one there, I'm going to plant one there. And again, it's going to go black, white, orange. These are just the early ones I'm planting. I'm going to be planting more pumpkins throughout the year. But I'm excited to get these seeds germinating because, oh, there's a little worm. I'll get him covered up. Don't want him to freeze. You want earthworms. And Connecticut Field orange. Boom. So now we're just going to tamp the soil on top of those. And just like that, you know, my dirt was prepared. The soil was all prepared. So that took me, what, 5-10 minutes to do all of that. So there you have it. And hopefully a week, we'll see some sprouts, and then we'll come do an update. Have a good day.